Hello folks, welcome to our video about WorldWeather. In this video, we will learn how to use WorldWeather website features and how to effectively utilize WorldWeather's various tools and functionalities. If you want to see the exact weather forecast for any part of the world, don't miss out this video. Okay, let's get started. As a first step, you can easily access the WorldWeather website by clicking on the link provided in the description below this video. Once you reach the website, you'll notice an option called Present Weather. This feature displays real-time weather conditions for locations all over the globe. You can zoom in on a specific area to gain a clear and more detailed view of the weather in that region. Now let's see how to access detailed weather information. Firstly, you can click on any of the available weather stations for each country, which will allow you to view comprehensive weather data and forecasts for the upcoming days. For instance, let's click on the Istanbul weather station. Once the page loads, you'll be faced with a detailed forecast for the next 4 days. This includes not only the expected temperatures, but also additional weather conditions such as precipitation and wind speed. You can also check the weather information for the current day right at the top of the page. As you scroll down, you'll find a section that lists weather forecast stations for the entire country of Turkey. By clicking on each station, you can access localized weather information specific to that area. If you're interested in a broader view of weather patterns, WorldWeather allows you to display monthly data. Temperature and rainfall can be seen here as well. Detailed information for mean daily minimum temperature, mean daily maximum temperature, mean total rainfall, mean number of rain days. You can view this detailed information for every month of the year, making it easy to analyze seasonal trends and prepare accordingly. So, if needed, we can click on the stations of other cities and see their weather information. By clicking on the plus sign next to any city or weather station, you can save that location. This feature allows you to access your favorite locations quickly and efficiently. Another exciting feature is the satellite image option. By enabling this, you can visualize satellite imagery that provides a broader perspective on current weather conditions across various regions. Additionally, we have the Forecast Climatology option available. And see just forecast stations or stations that are only climatology. Here, the orange points are capital cities. The red dots are forecast climatology, and the green dots are only climatology. By clicking on the red dots, you will access detailed weather forecasts for the next 4 days. Conversely, clicking on the green dots will provide you with meteorological information for that day only. For even more precise searches, you can specify your location using the filter options on the right side of the website. In the first step, we can filter the continents and select a specific continent. For example, if you choose Africa, you'll then be able to select a specific country within that continent. Let's say we select Asia as our continent of interest. We can then choose India from the list of countries available. Once you've selected India, you can view all cities within India that have active weather stations. By selecting any city, you'll gain access to complete and up-to-date weather information for that location.